Hello everyone, it is time for our latest and greatest Tara's must-have. And if you have not met Woodland yet, where have you been? It's absolutely gorgeous and absolutely stunning. Look at how beautiful that is. Hey everyone, it's time for our latest and greatest Tara's must-have. If you didn't hear me the first time, I see the live button, so I think we're there. We have our woodland pattern, absolutely gorgeous, carved into the side of the baker. You can truly see all of the pieces there, absolutely gorgeous. So let's talk about what's included in the set. So we have 3 different bakers with 3 different deep dish liddits. We're gonna pull back a little bit and show you all of the details. So on the smallest one, we have our 1-quart baker. That has the helper handles there on the side. And then we have our deep dish liddit. This is a cookie sheet, it's a cutting board, it's a trivet for under that baker, it's a lid for on top of that baker. And then we're gonna pull out a little bit more and show you our 2-quart baker and me. Hi everybody, Tara Tesher here. Look at how beautiful our 2-quart baker is with also those helper handles on the sides of the baker, on the deep dish liddit. That's a trivet, it's also a top. So many versatile pieces that you see here. And again, look at our 3-quart. So the largest baker, there's Lisa, she's saying hi everybody. The largest baker in the set is gonna be our 3-quart. These are our rounds. What I love about our rounds is that of course it takes up less space in the oven. You have that nice depth here. And you have of course our deep dish liddits. So what I love about it is that all of these stack and nest down inside each other, which is fantastic. And it's our Stoneware. So what does that mean? It means that it goes into the oven up to 500 degrees. You can put it in the dishwasher when you want to clean it. It goes in the fridge, the freezer, and of course it goes in the microwave when you want to go ahead and reheat something, which is fantastic. So fridge, freezer, oven, microwave, it's temp-tations, and this is what we love about it. So look at some of the things that I did here. Here I have a beautiful ham, sliced beautifully with the potatoes right underneath. Truly, this is that one dish cooking. And then, of course, on my little liddit here, I can do some of my sweet desserts. I did some of my cute little bunny cakes and things like that. And then all of our little fixings around it. So, of course, I can use it as a lid. I could use it for scalloped potatoes. I could, of course, use it for some of my baked goods. So, we're talking about the fact that it goes into the oven up to 500 degrees. BRB, I'm going to go grab from the oven the most decadent, most delicious mac and cheese you've probably ever seen. And the best part is, oven safe up to 500 degrees, helper handles here on the sides, and again, ooey gooey, pulling it right away from the sides, which is fantastic. It's literally virtually non-stick, and I even incorporated some of the ham chopped right inside there. So beautiful glazed, gorgeous ham with that beautiful mac and cheese pulling right away from the sides. So nothing ooey gooey. My roasted root vegetables. I love being able to put this right in the oven and roasting these. Look how beautiful my asparagus, my beets. So again, what do you typically do? You're getting out a metal cookie sheet. You're putting that in the oven. You're cooking your root vegetables, and then you have to transfer it into something that's pretty enough. Here, you just put that entire piece right in the oven. You can even roast in it, so tuck it under the broiler. I like to do my vegetables around 400, 450. Sprinkle a little olive oil, a little salt and pepper, and let them roast. So that would be delicious. And then we talked about the fact that it also goes into the freezer. Hold, please, wait till you see this. This is amazing. Here we did our ice cream cake. Oh, and we did a little bird's nest, and we did it perfectly for spring. Look at how beautiful. Iced around the edges, the little bird's nest right inside here, the 2 little eggs, and look at that icing. This just came from the freezer. So freezer safe, oven safe. Prepping, cooking, serving, storing, all in one dish, and not transferring from dish to dish. Here we just took those famous chocolate sandwich cookies, just dipped them in a little icing and put some of our little sprinkles on it, and we've set like the most beautiful spring table of ham and mac and cheese and root vegetables and our desserts. And that's what I love about this. So 3-quart, 2-quart, 1-quart, with the deep dish lids, it's basically $10 a piece. For hand-painted, glass-glazed stoneware, and our woodland white is always super popular. We don't bring in a ton of these, so head over to temp-tations.com, check out all of the patterns and all of the colors we have available. This is a screaming good deal, and I have to say, for $10 a piece, you can literally, change the way your table looks, and you have 6-quart capacity with those deep dish liddits that are mini cookers as well. You're gonna absolutely love this set. This is why we made it a Tara's must-have. Busted into spring, even if the weather doesn't tell us yet. Check this out. What we brought in is what we brought in all the colors and patterns. Head over to temp-tations.com and check it out.